What's up, tech enthusiasts? It's your boy, back with another dose of mind-blowing AI advancements. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, a technology poised to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and the world around us. So, what exactly is a BCI? Imagine controlling a computer, a prosthetic limb, or even a wheelchair with just your thoughts. That's the power of BCIs. They act as a bridge between our brains and external devices, translating our neural activity into actionable commands. BCIs are incredibly promising in the field of assistive technology. Individuals with paralysis, for instance, can now regain mobility through BCI-controlled exoskeletons. We've even seen groundbreaking cases where people with severe speech impairments can communicate again using BCI-powered speech synthesizers. It's truly heartwarming to witness how this technology is empowering people to reclaim their lives. And it's not just about restoring lost functions. BCIs are also pushing boundaries in prosthetics. Imagine a prosthetic arm that not only responds to your thoughts, but also provides sensory feedback. You could feel the texture of objects, the warmth of a handshake. That's the future BCIs are shaping, and it's incredibly exciting. One of the most inspiring stories in the BCI space is that of Casey Harrell, a man with ALS who participated in the BrainGate clinical trial. This groundbreaking technology enabled him to communicate with over 97% accuracy, effectively giving him back his voice after years of silence. His story is a testament to the transformative potential of BCIs. The team at UC Davis Health deserves a massive shout-out for their incredible work on the BrainGate technology. They've achieved remarkable accuracy in decoding speech directly from brain signals, and their dedication is paving the way for a future where paralysis doesn't have to mean silence. Hold on to your hats, gamers, because Neuralink is entering the arena. In a recent development, a patient with a Neuralink implant was able to play Counter-Strike 2 using only his thoughts. This showcases the incredible potential of BCIs beyond medical applications, even venturing into the realm of gaming and entertainment. Now, we can't talk about Neuralink without mentioning the man himself, Elon Musk. He envisions a future where Neuralink allows for a seamless symbiosis between humans and AI, enabling us to communicate at unprecedented speeds and augment our cognitive abilities. It's a bold vision that could redefine humanity's relationship with technology. But the innovations don't stop there. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University are making waves with their bidirectional BCI system. This means that the interface not only reads brain signals but can also send sensory feedback back to the brain, creating a closed-loop system with tremendous potential for learning, rehabilitation, and even enhancing our senses. In another groundbreaking development, a team of researchers successfully used a BCI system to help a paralyzed man walk again. This digital bridge between the brain and the spinal cord bypasses the injury, enabling movement through electrical stimulation. This is a phenomenal achievement that offers a beacon of hope for millions affected by spinal cord injuries. Now, with any groundbreaking technology, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations. BCIs raise questions about data privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. As we venture further into this frontier, it's paramount to establish ethical guidelines and ensure responsible development and deployment of this powerful technology. A recent study by Brown University analyzed nearly 2 decades of safety data on the BrainGate technology and found encouraging results. The study reported a low rate of adverse events, providing reassurance about the safety profile of these devices. As with any medical technology, ongoing research and rigorous testing are crucial to ensure patient well-being. The BCI landscape is buzzing with innovation, with numerous companies pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From Elon Musk's ambitious Neuralink to established players like BlackRock Neurotech and emerging startups like Kernel and Neurable, the race is on to unlock the full potential of BCIs. As we look ahead, the future of BCIs seems bright. Imagine a world where BCIs are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, enabling us to control our environment, access information, and communicate with unprecedented ease and speed. It's a future where technology empowers us to achieve more, experience more, and connect with the world in entirely new ways. That's a wrap on today's BCI Deep Dive. I'm constantly striving to bring you the most exciting and informative AI content. I'm also incredibly passionate about building a community where we can discuss, debate, and explore the future of technology together. So, hit that subscribe button, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.